Do you ever stand in front of a full closet and still feel like you have absolutely nothing to wear? I am 5 foot even and I spent years buying things that never quite worked on my frame. Today I am sharing the 9 pieces that make up the perfect petite capsule wardrobe. The exact items I personally rely on over and over again. And piece number 7 is the one that genuinely surprised me the most. Stay till the end. Number 1. Crop tailored trousers. Let me start with the piece that took me the longest to figure out, because for years I genuinely believed the opposite was true. I used to think long, full-length trousers were the only way to create the illusion of height. So I avoided crop trousers completely. Hell no was I going to wear anything that cut my leg off, or so I thought. Then I actually tried a pair of crop tailored trousers that hit right above the ankle bone. And the result genuinely surprised me. They elongated my leg more than my long trousers ever did. Here is why this works. A crop trouser at the ankle bone exposes the narrowest part of your leg. An exposed ankle skin reads as a continuation of your leg, rather than a stopping point. The trouser also works with every single shoe style. Loafers, heels, even ankle boots, as long as the boot sits just underneath the trouser hem for a clean finish. Crop tailored trousers in black, cream, navy, or khaki. Sharp enough for work, relaxed enough for casual days. Pair with a fitted top tucked in and a pointed toe shoe to maximize the leg lengthening effect. Number 2. A column skirt in midi or maxi length. I love a flouncy A-line skirt as much as anyone. But if I could only keep one skirt in my entire capsule wardrobe, it would be a column skirt. A column skirt has a simple straight up and down silhouette with no flare and no extra volume. And on a petite frame, that simplicity is exactly what creates proportion. The skirt does not compete with your upper body. It just continues the line straight down, which makes you look more balanced and put together from shoulder to hem. I avoided column skirts for years thinking they would make me look like a straight rectangle. Why did I think volume was the answer when simplicity was actually doing the work? A column skirt in midi or maxi length in a solid neutral. It works for both casual and dressed up occasions, which makes it one of the most versatile pieces in a petite capsule. Pair with a fitted top and a heel to keep the silhouette long and clean. Number 3. A sleek slip dress that hits the ankle. A slip dress is one of those pieces that seems intimidating until you actually try it, and then you genuinely cannot understand why you waited so long. The slip dress has a simple, no-fuss shape with minimal detailing. No ruffles. No statement sleeves. No exaggerated proportions to fight against. And for a petite frame, that simplicity is everything. The dress just schemes your body in one continuous line. The length matters enormously here. A slip dress that hits right at the ankle creates the most considered, elegant look. A length that falls mid-calf or drags on the floor breaks that clean vertical line and makes the whole outfit look unfinished. A slip dress in a solid color or a subtle jacquard print that hits the ankle. Pair with a heel for evening or flats and a light jacket for daytime. This is genuinely one of the most versatile single pieces you can own. Number 4. A trench coat in a fluid fabric. The trench coat shows up in basically every capsule wardrobe ever written about, and I know that sounds like a cliche at this point. But there is a very good reason it keeps appearing, and an even better reason it works specifically for petite women. Most coats are made from thick, heavy wool that holds its shape away from the body. On a petite frame, that stiffness adds bulk and makes you look smaller and more swallowed by the coat. A trench coat is different. The fabric is far more fluid, which means even a longer trench will not swamp a smaller frame the way a heavy wool coat would. A trench coat left open or cinched at the waist with the belt. Cinching the waist is the petite-specific trick here. It creates definition at your natural waist and balances the proportions of a longer coat. In beige, cream, or navy, this is the outerwear piece you will reach for across every season. Hey, quick pause. If you are finding these capsule picks helpful, please hit subscribe right now. I share petite-specific styling tips every single week, and I do not want you to miss anything. We still have 5 pieces left, including number 7, which genuinely surprised me when I added it to my wardrobe. Let's keep going. Number 5. Straight leg jeans. Jeans are in every wardrobe, petite or not. But the cut matters enormously, and for a long time I was choosing the wrong one. I used to reach for dramatic flares or very wide leg cuts thinking the volume would somehow balance my frame. What actually happened is the excess fabric overwhelmed my legs and made them look shorter rather than longer. A straight leg jean creates one clean, unbroken line from hip to ankle with no extra volume anywhere. That clean line is exactly what makes legs look long on a petite frame. And the versatility is unmatched. Straight leg jeans work with everything from ballet flats to ankle boots to heels. A straight leg jean in your preferred wash, full length to graze the top of your shoe. Pair with a fitted top tucked in and pointed shoes for the most leg-lengthening combination possible. Number 6. A nipped waist blazer. A blazer is one of those pieces that instantly makes any outfit look more intentional. And I genuinely do not think I have ever met a blazer I did not like in some way. But the specific cut matters for petite women. I do own a few boxy blazers and I still reach for them sometimes. But the ones that flatter my frame the most are the nipped waist styles. Blazers with an hourglass or slightly tapered shape through the middle. A tapered waist on a blazer adds definition without adding bulk. It shows your shape rather than hiding it under a boxy rectangle. And slightly longer blazer lengths actually help lengthen your overall silhouette, rather than cutting you off at an awkward point. A nipped waist blazer in a neutral color, slightly longer in length, worn open over jeans or trousers. This piece alone can transform a basic outfit into something that looks completely put together. Number 7. The surprise one, kitten heel shoes. Here it is. The piece I promised you. And I want to be honest, kitten heels were never on my radar for years. I thought they were old-fashioned. I thought a real heel needed to be dramatic to make a difference. I was completely wrong. A kitten heel gives you just enough extra height to wear longer dresses and trousers without compromising on comfort at all. It is the perfect middle ground between a flat shoe with zero lift and a tall heel that is exhausting to wear all day. Paired with a pointed toe specifically, a kitten heel becomes one of the most elongating shoe shapes available to petite women. The pointed toe extends your foot visually. The slight heel lifts your whole stance. Together, they create a leg-lengthening effect that is genuinely more noticeable than I expected. A pointed toe kitten heel slingback in a neutral or a rich color like burgundy. Wear it with skirts, dresses, trousers, or jeans. This is the shoe I now reach for constantly, and it took me far too long to discover why it works so well. Number 8. A fine knit jumper. I love chunky knitwear. I am not telling you to give it up completely, but for a capsule wardrobe specifically, a fine lighter weave jumper does so much more work for a petite frame than a thick, cumbersome knit ever could. Chunky knits add visual bulk everywhere they touch your body. On a petite frame, that bulk makes you look wider and shorter. A fine knit jumper, on the other hand, follows your body closely without clinging, which keeps your silhouette clean and your proportions balanced. The added bonus, fine knits are easier to layer. If you need extra warmth, you simply add a cardigan or a jacket on top, rather than committing to one giant chunky piece all on its own. A fine knit jumper in camel, black, or gray so it pairs with everything else in your capsule. Layer it under a trench or a blazer for extra warmth without the bulk. Number 9. A fluid shirt. Last piece, and this one ties the entire capsule together because of how versatile it is. A soft, fluid shirt adds instant polish to jeans, trousers, or skirts. The key word here is fluid. Fabrics like chiffon, satin, silk, or viscose drape naturally on the body rather than holding a stiff shape away from it. That draping quality eliminates unnecessary bulk and keeps your silhouette clean and long. For petite women specifically, a cropped length or a tuck-friendly cut is a genuine bonus. It means you are not left with excess fabric bunching at your waist when you tuck it in, which we know by now is essential for keeping your proportions long and your waist clearly defined. A fluid shirt in navy, white, or a soft neutral, worn tucked into trousers or a skirt. This single piece can be dressed up or down, and works across every other item in this capsule wardrobe. And those are the 9 pieces that make up the perfect petite capsule wardrobe. Every single one chosen specifically because it works hard on a short frame. From cropped trousers to kitten heels, these pieces mix and match across seasons and occasions, so you are never standing in front of a full closet, feeling like you have nothing to wear. Give this video a thumbs up, drop your favorite capsule piece in the comments, and subscribe for weekly petite styling tips. See you in the next one.